Honeywell contacted me and said, we would like to send you one of our lamps. You give it a try and share it with your audience. And I said, absolutely, who doesn't need more light? I feel like I'm living in the land of the shadows. So any light that I can get that helps me see what I'm doing, I am all for it. Well, this is a lamp. This is going to be wonderful for my space. Let's open it up and take a look. This is boxed beautifully. It's sturdy. You can tell from the weight of the box. Oh my goodness, this is going to be awesome. This is the base of the lamp. It is packaged so nicely. Good grief, this thing is heavy. I mean, heavy. This is gonna be so nice. And I believe it comes with gloves to put the lamp together. How cool is that? Sure enough, gloves. Oh. So here is the head of the lamp, and it swivels all kinds of ways. You can turn it. This is cool. So what I'm going to do, maybe, there we go, is just screw this on. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, so here we have different brightnesses. Wow, this has all kinds of cool stuff going on. It does adjust. All right, so it is adjustable. All right, ignore the fact that these don't go together. So right now, this is the way my room is lit up. I have all my lights on. So you see how there's a shadow? So let's turn the new lamp on. Let me shine it towards that. Okay, so I think you can see a little better. Those are different settings. Let's do this and there. Look at that. Still got a little bit of a shadow, but I don't even know how to use my lamp yet. So if you wanted to do handwork, I turned it off. There is a lower setting. There is a brighter setting. I think that one is more yellow. There is a nice bright setting. Okay, and there it lowers. I have to really look and see how to use this lamp, but you know, I have a good feeling about it. And then if I wanted to do handwork and I wanted a better angle, I mean, I can just do all kinds of stuff with this. This is really cool. I want to thank Honeywell for sending me this lovely lamp. I cannot wait to use it over my sewing machine so I get a lot more light. I'm thinking where my long arm is, I don't get a whole lot of light there. It's kind of dark. This would be perfect for that area. I'm excited. Thank you so much for sending me this lamp, and I will keep reporting to you guys what all I use it for. And I think I'm going to get a whole lot of use out of this lamp. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye.